What tasks do controllers have? Controllers have a variety of tasks to fulfill. They inform, plan, control, and advise. What they have to do and what tools they have to use for each of these tasks is well known. However, what is not known is how they should do it. This is because it depends on the individual manager that they are supporting. Managers are normally competent from a business perspective and are committed to meeting the company's goals. In this case, the controller unburdens the manager by taking over the manager's tasks. There is no need to hold a critical discussion about the task to be done, nor is it necessary to go into a lengthy explanation of the results once it is finished. It is the aim of the controller to fulfill the task as efficiently as possible. Some managers, however, are not completely familiar with business tools and the implications of their use. This might apply to a product developer, for example, who has become a manager on account of his technical know-how. In this case, the controller should complement the manager by explaining in more detail the function of a net present value calculation, for example. The controller, in such a case, must work both efficiently and effectively at the same time. Some other managers are more concerned with their own goals rather than with those of the company. Controllers then have to question whether there is any possible opportunistic motivation behind the assigned task and may also have to constrain the manager. Perhaps the figures concerning an investment have been tweaked to force through the investment. Controllers have to recognize this and react accordingly. This means that any one task a controller has to carry out can involve unburdening, complementing, or constraining a manager. In order to determine what type of task he has to fulfill at any one point in time, the controller must be very familiar with both his manager and also the situation in which the manager finds himself. Someone who is under pressure may act irrationally. Someone who is very successful may rest on their laurels. In some ways, controllers are like salespeople. Every customer is different, and each one must be treated differently.